Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. And I did a lot of research and it cost me a lot of time, but I found a way how to do this. So please keep watching. Alright, first tap on the three lines right in the top and then go to settings and privacy. From here tap on account and then switch to business account. Alright, now we want to do next. And from here, tap on the niche that you want to use. It's not very important. Choose something, but for me it will be software and apps. Then do next. I don't want to use a profile photo, so then do skip. And now it says, congratulations, you can now try a registered business account. We don't need to fill in our business details. But now if I tap on the cross left in the top and I go back and I will refresh my page, edit profile, go to website, delete this one and I add a new one, then go back and I'm refreshing this. Now if you can see, we just created a clickable link in our bio, and now if I tap on that link, he will send me to my channel. And this is seriously how easy it is. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and thanks for watching.